Hello guys, what is up? And today I've got my first unboxing actually of a Airsoft Colt 10A, as you can see there. Yeah, so super power. Let's just flip over the box if I can. Right. I've already opened this, so yeah. So this back, I've noticed a couple of things. As you can clearly see, it was made in China, and yeah, there's many words on this that have not actually been corrected. And I'm not saying it's a good gun, but I'd rather you put heard instead of heart, because it says pull the cocking handle until a click sound is heart. It's supposed to be heard. So what I'm going to do is I'll just flip the box open and open it for you. So guys, I've opened the box, and as you can see, there's the gun, the BB gun. It looks black, it looks a bit black. If it looks a bit black on the screen, it's actually blue. And you've got these BBs here, which I do not recommend using, because well, if it's like your first BB gun, use them so you know the gist of how to shoot it. But you don't get much in it, do you? As you can see here. Next thing is the magazine, which is Spring magazine, and yeah. As a disclaimer, guys, as you can clearly see, there, do not shoot at any human or animal. It's a bloody airsoft gun, so yeah. Yeah, so talking back to the BBs, I don't recommend using these because they're rubbish. But if this is like your first airsoft gun, use them because it's like really good for training and all that. I've already owned like a couple of BB guns, so I got these because this gun shoots 6mm, and they're blue, just like the gun. Comparison. And now for the actual gun itself. So let's just move this out of the way. Here is the gun. Yeah. So I just pulled that back. I've played around with it a bit. It's really good. Show you the couple of bits. Here's the priming handle, the hammer, this top bit, which the bit that I'm holding now is the cocking handle, as you can see from an actual gun. This button here is where you put the magazine. So all you just do is put your magazine in, Then if you want to take it out, just press this button. Yeah, you can see it more better now. Just press it, and it falls out. Yeah. So guys, this is just a quick review on this BB gun that I bought from Blackpool. Yeah. So like, subscribe, and a peace.